as you can see today, a lot of children are like stuck behind screens watching YouTube and watching TVs.
If a child reads your entire series, तो वो कौन सा एक लेसन है you want him or her to remember for the life?
Protect your biodiversity and protect your ecosystem.
Fireflies के eggs होते हैं ना, even they glow in different colors. Like
What was your experience writing with a Gen Z person? Behind every page, there is a story. Hello everyone, I am Sonam Mehra, your host and your writing वाली दोस्त. हर एक स्टोरी के पीछे कुछ ना कुछ कहानी तो है. क्या आपने कभी सोचा एक कहानी या एक बुक जिसका प्रोटैगनिस्ट जो कि मेन कैरेक्टर ना कोई लड़की है ना लड़का और ना गोथिक हॉरर बुक्स की तरह कोई भूत बंगला पर इंसेक्ट्स. इंटरेस्टिंग राइट? टुडे वी हैव ऑथर्स ऑफ द फार्मर्स फ्रेंड जो कि कितने ब्रिलियंट राइटर्स हैं जिन्होंने एक पेज को मास्टरपीस बना दिया. आई वेलकम यू ऑल.
Thank you. I'm Dr. Sumneet Kaur Pava and I'm working as an associate professor at the Department of English, Guru Nanak Dev University. I've been teaching for around more than 20 years and I love to paint, I love to teach, and writing is my passion.
hi everyone, I am Sunava Parpava. I am a 17-year-old author still studying at Springdale Senior School. I'm currently studying humanities and I want to pursue psychology but keep writing as my passion.
Starting with where this idea came from to use insects as a protagonist or the main character of your story.
We wanted mainly to introduce young children to nature because, as you can see today, a lot of children are like stuck behind screens watching YouTube and watching TVs, and they're still not very focused on the nature. They don't go out much. So we wanted children to be introduced to nature, and insects are a very amazing part of nature. So we wanted to introduce to the children the insects.
Moreover, what happened, one of my colleagues, one day she was talking to all of us and she was talking about her garden and her father telling her कि ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ garden ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ pesticides ਨਹੀਂ use ਕਰਨੇ. तो she said कि मतलब ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੌਦੇ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀੜੇ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ so we need to protect them. तो ਉਹਦੇ father ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਕੀੜੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਗੇ. So that term Mittar Kide was like very fascinating for me and that stuck in my mind somewhere and so it was going on Mittar Kide, it would come back to me again and again. So one day I thought of looking at those Mittar Kide कि Mittar Kide hunde kede hai ki karde hai. So I started looking for them कि farmers से friends kede hunde hai. Then I went to Sunabya and I said कि okay this is what I found, so can we do something about it, and then we thought of writing it for kids basically.
Okay. Ma'am, where did you get this idea from कि kids के लिए लिखते हैं और किन किन particular insects को choose करा? What was the main reason behind it? What was the brain behind it?
अच्छा, there is a interesting story behind this कि किसको choose किया. सबसे पहले तो बड़े सुंदर सुंदर वाले insects को choose किया. मेन था अच्छा बच्चे किस चीज़ से फैसिनेट होंगे है ना. बटरफ्लाइज वुड बी फैसिनेटिंग, लेडी बग्स आर फैसिनेटिंग बिकॉज ये इंसेक्ट्स आपको अपने गार्डन्स में दिखते हैं. यू कैन स्पॉट देम, यू कैन टच देम एंड किड्स आर नॉट स्केर्ड ऑफ टचिंग देम. And then Sunavya will tell because she had more experiences with some insects which were like little scary to look at.
So when I wanted to do the illustration, I had to look at all the insects clearly first. So I used to like go on Google and मतलब वो images PC पर बड़ी करके देखना, and it was very scary. I didn't really like it, but then मतलब slowly करके बस एक दो बारी देखा डर के पीछे हो के कि I don't like it, and then I had to illustrate them. So I thought कि मतलब if I want to make this for kids, then I need to make them more attractive and cute, so that they are actually attracted to these insects and not scared of them like I was.
Okay. So, which were the most scariest insects you found?
Definitely the assassin bugs, because like to be very honest, they look like cockroaches to me. I don't like cockroaches at all.
Okay. Ma'am, what was the most interesting part you get to know while researching ecosystem?
See, how much do we know that these small insects, ladybug is the size of a lentil. मतलब दाल जितनी होती है ना हमारे घर में
जी,
हमने
जी.
दाल देखी है उतने जितनी लेडी बग्स होते हैं. So how they help the farmers? You know, they are the backbone of the ecosystem, and same goes for the other insects also. So they are amazing part of our ecosystem, and you can see what's happening around us, the climate change that is taking place, the use of pesticides. We need biodiversity, right? That's the need of the hour. If we want to live happily, if we want to enjoy ourselves, then we need to protect them. So we started looking at them, and they started becoming very interesting to us. And all of
Okay.
them have their particular characteristics. सभी की एक अलग पहचान है, सभी के कुछ अलग से फीचर्स हैं जो आप इन बुक्स में पढ़ते हो.
जी.
Like I can tell you about some of them. Like when we talk about ladybugs, so ladybugs are hunted by birds, and like when a prey comes to eat the ladybugs, they fall off of the leaves and then they turn their backs. They roll over on the stomach, and the stomachs are black, right? So they camouflage themselves into the soil, and
Wow.
they excrete a very foul smell and act as if they're dead. And like this is something very fascinating, but something that I personally find even more fascinating is about the fireflies. So the fireflies, they glow. You've probably seen the fireflies, but
Yep.
like children my age or even younger than me, we have not seen fireflies. I
Oh.
personally have never seen fireflies. So the fireflies glow, we know that. But जो fireflies के eggs होते हैं ना, even they glow in different colors like orange and green, and like they're very pretty. I mean, I have only seen in Google, and but I would love to see in real life.
Oh, ma'am, you have seen Sunavya's entire journey of writing. So how you got to know like she's very interested and passionate about writing?
Uh, it was a quiet kind of a thing that happened. So मैं लिखती थी. I used to write, and I would even recite the things at home, read the things out at home. Stories लिखती थी, but I don't know if she ever read my stories. She might have heard the outline and all. So one night she slept very late, and in the morning she tells me and my husband कि मैं राती ना story लिखी सी. We didn't believe it. कि
Okay.
नहीं नहीं इस तरह ही करती है, वैसे ही कह रही है. एंड शी वाज वेरी
Okay.
यंग एट दैट टाइम, तो ਅਸੀਂ बिलीव नहीं ਕੀਤਾ कि ਕੀਤਾ है. एंड देन शी सेड नहीं मैं लिखी है. तो आई रेड इट एंड इट वाज रियली रियली नाइस. सो मतलब इट वाज अ वेरी क्वाइट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. किसी ने पुश नहीं किया. Nobody told her that you need to pick this up and you need to read or you need to write. Nothing of that sort. It happened very naturally.
Okay. So if a child reads your entire series, तो वो कौन सा एक lesson है you want him or her to remember for the life entirely?
Protect your biodiversity and protect your ecosystem. We need to do it ourselves, for ourselves. We need to do it for everyone on earth.
Any challenges faced while writing? Because this is my favorite question. One generation belongs to the slangs one and another one to the grammar part.
When I started writing, I used to use short forms like TBH or U for the for the word YOU, and it was like very difficult for me because when I used to text my friends, I used to use these short forms. But my mom would scold me a lot because, like in writing, we should use the full forms, and I would get very scolded. I would get like a lot of slaps or something you can say.
Lovingly, of
Yeah,
course.
because it did help me become better. It did help me get rid of using short forms.
Wow. And
And
what,
grammar also, like any mistakes of grammar. So, one miss. How could you do that?
what was your experience writing with a Gen Z person?
A lot of arguments.
Okay.
Yes, a lot of arguments. Sometimes I would. She was having her exams, तो मैं सोच रही थी कि exams जो मतलब when she is studying तेनू ना उठावा. So I would do a few illustrations. And फिर जब मैं आके देखती थी तो she would tell me ये क्या किया आपने? इसकी तो शक्ल बदल गई है, उसका तो नाक बदल गया है, उसका तो हाथ बदल गया है, उसको यहाँ खड़े नहीं होना था, उसको वो नहीं करना था. And I would say यार मैं 2 घंटे लगा दिए and this is what I get to hear. So it's, I think it's mutual. At certain
Yeah.
places I would tell her this is not right. At certain places she would tell me this is not right, this is what you're not doing right. So but we never marked our own ways. It was not that
Okay.
this is what I'm doing and this is what she is doing. No, it was never like that.
Okay.
So if we had done something, like each of us individually, we'll discuss it with each other and bring about changes or improvements and all.
Okay. Ma'am, do you think children are more curious towards nature than adults? Right.
Yes.
You faced any
Yes.
experience or something while writing this story and you realized this thing?
It's about kids. So the protagonist here, Amira, she is my niece. So we have recreated Amira as a cartoon figure here. So I would tell her the stories that this is Amira, this is what you are doing. So what she would do is that she would tell her father and her mother, Ki, I want these plants at my place so that the butterflies can come. I want to see the honeybees. I want to go to the garden. So kids are more curious. You just need to, tell them a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
and they want to explore. Kids are more adventurous. See, they have free mind, right? So they would love to explore.
Yeah, moreover, like adults are very busy and like workplace stress, stress about homes. I don't think they put their mind to something that many people think is not so important.
Okay. While writing these stories, क्या आपको एक दूसरे में कुछ अलग पर्सनालिटी दिखी जो एज अ मदर और डॉटर डुओ नहीं दिखते यूजुअली? व्हाट वर दोज मोमेंट्स?
टैलेंट, सबसे पहले तो टैलेंट, capability. She has the ability to think, to create. So that is what I just love about her. I mean, creativity. So
Okay.
for example, if we talk about the earthworms, तो उनका जो poop है, instead of calling it poop, we call it earthworm cupcakes,
Wow. Okay.
worm cupcakes.
I was reading The Fireflies
Hmm.
and I realized this is proper balance of scientific theories and storytelling. How this managed? You managed to, balance both of things.
So then you go back and pick up an encyclopedia and start reading an encyclopedia. तो कितना इंटरेस्ट आएगा ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ किन्नी देर ਉਹਨੂੰ बैठ के पढ़ोगे?
It seems boring now.
हाँ, it sounds boring. I mean, you can sit आधा घंटा बैठ जाओ, 1 घंटा बैठ जाओ, 2 घंटे बैठ जाओ, and then after that you say कि यार बस हो गया, अब नहीं और नहीं, कल पढ़ लूंगी, परसों पढ़ लूंगी. बट अगर आपको वही फैक्ट्स स्टोरी के थ्रू बताए जाएं कि अच्छा एक बच्चा है, वो अपनी क्लास के साथ कहीं गया है और बस उस बच्चे ने ये डिस्कवर किया, वो डिस्कवर किया, सभी बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स को बोलेंगे हाँ हमने भी फार्म के लिए जाना है, वी ऑल्सो वांट टू गो टू अ फार्म एंड like go around. And so this was the main reason of bringing in fiction and joining it with scientific facts.
I mean, like, for me as well, I never really enjoyed encyclopedias. My cousins used to read them, and I used to like sit with them and start reading. But then I'd get bored, and I'd say, "Okay, I'm going back to my fiction books." So that was one thing I also told mom, like we want to incorporate a storyline into it. It'll be much more interesting for the kids because that is something I experienced as well.
Okay. So now, what's your favorite books you have ever read as a reader?
As a reader, I mean, other than
Yeah.
any book,
Any book.
I love The Roots.
Okay.
Yeah, I love The Roots. Then I love What the Body Remembers. These two are my favorite reads.
Okay. So now yours.
I'd say Percy Jackson and the Song of Achilles. Percy Jackson because, like, except my mom's lectures in university with Greek drama, Percy Jackson really brought me into Greek mythology. Like when I read Percy Jackson, at first I had started reading with like the Greek gods. There's 5 books in total, and then there's one book about the Greek gods. So I started reading with the Greek gods, and I didn't really find it interesting. But then I was like, I should give it another chance. I don't want to read a book unread. So
Okay.
I read the storyline, and it was very interesting because it was from the point of view of a teen, and Percy Jackson, right? So he was a demigod, and then he tells a story. So that really got me hooked because it was telling all about Greek mythology and about a storyline as well. And then I really love Song of Achilles. It's all about the Trojan War from the point of view of Patroclus. And
Okay.
I mean, I personally think that there's more strength in Patroclus than there is in Achilles. It was like, this might be controversial, but I really I love Patroclus that way. Like, I believe he has more strength.
Nothing is controversial here. It's subjective somehow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Second thing, if you guys start a YouTube channel, what would you name it, and what niche could it be?
Like, I would say maybe reading with a mom and a daughter, or I would say that it would be more into storytelling and reading and
Okay.
like not only our books but also books that we think are really like you can say overlooked or even something that would interest kids and adults alike because in today's world audiobooks have a very large part.
Yep.
So I think reading and storytelling would be our main agenda.
Okay. And ma'am, what's your take on this?
See, if I say that I have a wonderful bond with my daughter, it is because of the time that we used to spend together at the library. You know,
Okay.
we would go to the library together. We would spend like a lot of time there, and I would read her books there, and she would have her favorite books. We'll bring them home, reread, and all that. Uh, I have been teaching for very long, and believe me, जो मिसिंग पार्ट है वो है पेरेंट्स का और बच्चों का एक बॉन्ड, वो मिसिंग है. एंड आई सी दैट नहीं, हमेशा मिसिंग नहीं होता, इट कैन बी क्रिएटेड. उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है कि आप कितना टाइम इकट्ठे स्पेंड कर रहे हो, स्पेशली सोने से पहले व्हेन यू आर इन बेड. हाउ मच आर यू टॉकिंग टू योर चाइल्ड, हाउ मच आर यू रीडिंग टू द चाइल्ड, हाउ क्लोज यू आर चाइल्ड टू योर चाइल्ड. तो उस वजह से हम सोच रहे हैं कि वी शुड स्टार्ट विद आवर यूट्यूब चैनल
Wow.
and we'll be reading books there.
Okay. So if your life is a book, what could it be? The title, the story, the plot twists, and the scenes you want to highlight in that book.
The title of my book would be Slice of Life.
Nice.
Yeah, Slice of Life. So Slice of Life would mean that it has a lot of things. It has adventure, it has drama that I do at home all the time. Yeah, I trouble her a lot. I mean, वैसे kids trouble the mothers, but here it's a little different. I trouble her a lot. Um, so that would have a lot of things like, and highlight is travel, plus how you can enjoy your life and how you can be happy with the small things also.
Okay, so now yours.
Like, I never thought of it this way, but I don't really have a title in mind.
Okay.
But like, I would want to highlight my journey from a very introverted child to not only having friends but also being interested in like the little things in life, the little joys in life. Because I used to have an allergy; it was very severe. So I don't think I ever enjoyed like the small things. But then when it started getting better, I realized that it is more important to enjoy the small things in life that you used to miss before. So I would say like that's very important, and I would want to highlight my reading journey. Because
Wow.
that has really brought me to a lot of good places, I would say.
Okay.
पीपल जनरली से कि हमारे बच्चे पढ़ते नहीं हैं, उनको पढ़ने की हैबिट कैसे डालें, और हमारे को उल्टा प्रॉब्लम है, हमारा बच्चा सारी रात पढ़ता है, हम उसको सोने के लिए कहते हैं.
Oh.
हाँ, मतलब हमें उसको बोलना पड़ता है, अगर नींद खुल जाए तो अच्छा 4 बज गए हैं, एंड 4 बज गए हैं तो आप देखो ये उठी हुई है, इसके हाथ में बुक है, एंड वील टेल हर कि बस करते अब सोचा. सो एवरीबडी टेल्स अस कि आप उसको क्यों सोने के लिए कहते हो, तो हम कहते हैं यार रात सोने के लिए होती है, सो जाया करो.
So now what's behind that? रात को उठते ही पढ़ना.
That one more chapter,
Okay.
that excitement that I still want to read one more chapter. What's going to be next page? What's going to happen? That adventure, that excitement, and I think I really enjoy it. I mean, like staying up till 5 in the morning reading. I do that like every other day.
Now I have a quick rapid fire and this and that for you both. Okay. Start with book characters you would be friends with.
Dobby.
Percy Jackson and Leo Voldemort.
Okay, a little brief about those both.
Dobby is from Harry Potter, and he's like a creature. So
Okay.
I like Dobby.
Okay, so now yours.
Percy Jackson is the main character, reckless vibes, while Leo Voldemort is someone who used to be left out a lot, and that was me. And then when he finally found his person, he was not left out anymore. So
Okay. Morning person or night owl?
Both. I'm okay with both. Yeah.
night owl.
Night owl.
Yeah.
All the Gen Zs are night owl. Like I personally am night owl too. I can't be a morning bird. Okay. Who's more dramatic? Some incidents.
छोटी छोटी चीजों पर ड्रामा करना, that is very evident in my house.
Who says more? I told you so.
I do, yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
No, I do.
I think I do. I don't know.
Okay, so
I
why
think
do
हम
you think
दोनों ही
you
करते
do and same for yours?
देखो, एज अ मदर एंड एज अ स्ट्रिक्ट मदर एंड वो जो अथॉरिटी फोर्स करनी होती है ना, कहीं पे बताना ही पड़ता है। मैंने तो कहा था ना, मैंने तो कहा था ना, वो तो
Oh,
कहना पड़ता है।
who is more stubborn?
Am I?
Yes,
No, 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 I'm not.
she is.
Just tell us your perspectives. Why do you think?
Definitely something related to skincare. Like I'd get something, I'd want something, and then she'd say कि ये तो अच्छा नहीं है, ये तो brand मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं है, ऐसे कैसे लेना है? And then when she asks someone like her makeup teacher, and the makeup teacher recommends the same thing, फिर भी कहेंगे नहीं तब मेरे को ठीक नहीं लग रहा था, अभी तो फिर भी अच्छा है।
कौन ज्यादा अपना फोन भूल जाता है यहाँ वहाँ रख के?
My phone is never with me at home.
Mine is always in my hand.
Yeah, it's always in her hands.
Okay.
नहाने टाइम भी साथ जाता है फोन।
गाने सुनने होते हैं।
Yeah, this is very known in our generation. Like वो गाने चलते shower is more interesting.
Yes.
It happens with me too. Okay. Chai person or coffee person?
Coffee.
None.
None?
No.
Then when you are at catharsis, अब थक गई मैं, तब क्या पीते हो? कुछ पीते हो? What's your cope mechanism?
थक गई किस में, पहले ये बताइए।
थक गई
हाँ।
हर चीज में।
मतलब अदर देन रीडिंग ये थकती है, रीडिंग में ये नहीं थकती है, तो शी डजंट नीड चाय कॉफी आल्सो।
Okay, if other than reading it's there.
Probably like water or thumbs up or something like that.
Okay. Who would win an argument?
I would say I would, but then she would say she would. This would turn into an argument.
This was an interesting answer. Who apologized first?
हाँ, she does. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Books or movies?
Both equally, but movies are something that stay in your mind more. I mean, if you were my student, you would know it, because all the examples that I give in my classes are movies
Oh.
or the series or advertisements. I love advertisements. I mean, they're very creative.
So now yours?
Say books. Like if we have a book adaptation into a movie, then I'd say books. But otherwise, movies are really interesting as well. I don't really watch a lot of movies, but the ones I do watch, I love them a lot.
For me, I'm not a movie person, but Imtiaz Ali's movies are very much. I love those. The depth is there. Okay, sweet or spicy?
Spicy.
Sweet.
Okay, different taste. Who sings better?
Do you sing?
No.
I do.
Okay. So,
Thank God you didn't tell me to do that.
should I? Who is worse at dancing?
Versus dancing.
I am, because I'll just stand there awkwardly. I'll move around a bit and stand awkwardly. I'll not sing.
Okay.
I don't do anything.
Messy or neat?
Messy.
Neat.
Neat. This is something different for both of you. Who is more talkative?
I.
Okay, so Sunavya is not talkative.
No.
I'm more of a listener.
Yeah. she's
Good
not
listener.
Yeah.
We need good listener in today's society now. Okay. Who is more protective?
More?
Protective.
Protective. Yeah, I am. Huh.
Okay. Favorite thing to do together?
Reading, like sitting in silence and reading, and then I usually tell her a lot about my day.
Yeah.
So,
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Telling a lot about your day. Yes. I mean, when I would pick her up from the van, तो बस last step पे she would say, आज पता है क्या हुआ? Until the time we would come back home, I mean, she would just tell me what happened.
Okay. Who spends more time on phone?
On phone.
Yep. Okay. Secret snack eater.
I am.
I
Okay.
also, I like to steal her chocolates.
Yeah.
Yeah, I steal her chocolates and I eat.
No, but I'll be dieting and then I'll just sneak some snacks in and I'll say, कोई बात नहीं, कल से dieting चल रही है.
Who makes better chai?
चाय ना पीते हैं ना बनाते हैं. Coffee, yeah, I can make good coffee.
Okay.
हाँ.
One word that could describe Sunavya that you think, and same for you, Sunavya. One word or one line.
She is very loving and caring. Very loving and caring.
I'd say polite yet very strict.
Polite yet very
in
strict.
a polite way.
Okay. Shopping lover.
Both of us.
Yeah,
Huh, both of us. Yeah.
Okay. Who is more patient?
Jeez.
I am.
Yeah. I'm very
Okay.
patient.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was nice talking to both of you.
Thank you.
And thank you everyone for listening to Sonam's Rightcast. We'll be very soon with more interesting episodes.